Hello, welcome to this short lesson where I want us to look at the question that was there in 2002, paper 1. Okay, that was on the linear programming, construction of inequalities. Okay, so the question reads, write down two other inequalities that define unshaded region R other than x is less than or equal to 4. So there are three. One is already given, so we need to write the other two. So those other two, the one that is given is this one here. This is the one that is given. So for us, we need to do this one, okay, and this other one. So this one, it is a special equation. It's very simple because when you look at where it's coming from the origin, and here we have 0, 0, and the other point here we have 4, 4. So this is, in terms of an equation, it's y is equals to x. Y is equals to x. So when we look at the inequalities, when we look at it in form of an inequality, the true region, the region that we want is below this line, okay? It is below this line, all right? So meaning it is less than. Now that the line is solid, we're going to say y is less than or equal to x. So this is the other equation that we need here. This is the other equation that we need. We have one already, and the second one is this one. Then, how do we find the equation of this one? This one, we first of all need to get the coordinates here. We need to get the coordinates here. What are the coordinates? This is 0, 4. Then, what is the coordinate here? What are the coordinates? It's 4, 0. Then we need to get the gradient first. We have to get the gradient. How do we find the gradient? So we say gradient is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What is our y2? This coordinate here, 0 minus y1, which is 4, over 4 minus 0. So what are we going to get here? This is going to give us negative 4 over 4. So we are going to get negative 1. This is going to give us gradient is equals to negative 1. Gradient is equals to negative 1. Now, if we have the gradient, how do we construct the equation? So we're going to say, to come up with the equation, we use this formula. Okay. So, when we have a point where y is equals to 0, I like using such a point. So here, the y coordinate is 0, the x coordinate is 4, and our gradient is negative 1. So we're going to say y minus the y coordinate. We'll pick these coordinates here. What is the y coordinate here? It's 0. It's equals to, what is our gradient? Our gradient is negative 1. X minus 4. When we have y is equals to this and this one, we'll get a plus. We're going to get a plus. Now, take note that what we have just written is not an inequality, but the equation. So we need to convert this into an inequality. So when you look at this one here, this is the line, isn't it? So the greater part, the one that is on top of the line, that is the part that is not shaded. This part is the one that is unshaded here, isn't it? So we're going to say this is going to be in terms of an equation, it's going to be y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 4. You can leave it like this, okay? or if you want, this one can come the other side, but it's okay, we can leave it like this. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Alright? So these are the inequalities that we're supposed to construct. The 2 of them, and then you get 4 marks for doing that. Alright? So this is basically what was supposed to be done. Do not forget to subscribe. We always thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment and like the video. Alright? Thank you very much for watching. Until next time. Right. Okay, so this is where just in case you may want to see the actual question, how it was done. This is it. Okay.